Hi, this is Destiny. You're now in tune to the 640 Evening Show, featuring my daddy, DJ 640. Hey!
Much love the case for
Yeah, all day, all day. I feel like, man, the club music is not lost. Yeah, our culture, Baltimore culture, man, it's kind of lost, man. Like, I still, don't get me wrong, though, I still see people in the city, you feel me, keeping that club, you feel me, live, man. Like, shout out to DJ Murder Mark, you feel me, TT the artist, they out there doing their thing, man. Like, I feel like, yeah, rah, of course. When it comes to the club music, man, it's always going to be there. Like, I feel like we can turn any of our songs to like a club song, you know?
Right.
Like, it's not really that. Well, we're not real that far off. Like, we're not that far off. So at any moment, we have club songs, but at any moment it comes to, once we get there and we reach that certain level and it's time to put our city out there,
right?
Of course, man. I told you, World War IV over here, man. It's gonna be crazy.
I mean, we still try to like intertwine because music changed so much.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So like we try to intertwine what we know and what we was raised on. So like that 808 is gonna be in our joint and it's gonna be fast tempo and it's gonna be that feel. You know what I mean? But as far as like the club music scene, like it died down once K-Swift passed.
Okay. Yeah, but you know, like I said, you know, 640 be putting it down over here, and I ain't gonna lie to you, you know, I be feeling that B-More club, the club music and stuff like that, and I rock it. I got my segments and stuff that I do rock the club music because definitely got love for B-More, and you know, my girl K-Swift, you know, that little special, that little unfortunate incident that happened with her, man, you know, definitely it hit home in DC as well. So you know, we was feeling it too. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. See, I got hoes on my left. My niggas on the right side. They tats all on my chest. See, young niggas shoot for the stars. I don't care about what you rep. Cause filthy niggas, they go hard. But my balls out. But for retard, I'm cashing out. But my money hog. I'm all about that check. Got green eyes and I sit proud. My daddy died at 6. Since then, the young nigga been running wild.